firewood today. It's the 30th of April today. Using the Husqvarna 268 XP. Busy. This is just some of it. Bucked all that up, and there's more on the other side of my truck too. Had a bunch of trees cut down by hydro about a month ago or so, so lots of firewood for next winter. I gotta load it up into my truck, take it around to the back driveway and split it. So a few more big chunks up in the upper part of the yard there too I gotta cut up. So anyway, we're getting there. Lots of fir, there's some cedar and there's some pine in there too, so it's good firewood. Beats buying it, that's for sure. Great weather for doing it, man. It's warm out here on Salt Spring Island. Preparing for next winter.